What's the meaning of BMXing? BMXing. BMXing.
BMXing. BMXing. BMXing refers to the action-packed sport of riding BMX bikes. It involves performing a variety of tricks, such as flips and spins, on various obstacles such as ramps, rails, and dirt tracks. This sport has gained immense popularity due to its adrenaline-pumping nature and the breathtaking stunts that participants perform. BMXing is not only popular as an individual sport, but it is also widely recognized in competitions, including the X Games, which attract top athletes from around the world. This sport provides a platform for creativity, self-expression, and pushing oneself to the limit, making it an exciting and thrilling activity for anyone who loves extreme sports.